There were times in my life where I felt like things were never going to change. I remember I was stuck at first when you went to prison, Ben. It felt like things weren't going to get better. A lot has happened, but things do happen for a reason. People come into your life and change your perspective, like the person I am visiting right now. She helped me, as so did other people too. Like how you did when we were younger. Now I recall them as they show how I got here. Everything was told about Kane and who he was through his eyes. You can see it. I felt like it was getting out of hand. A lust for money, not caring about anything else no more.
Brian, you got this? We better not mess up, bro.
Bro, no worries. Just one time thing, bro.
Yeah, and the other one in June.
Oh, yeah. That one too, bro. Trust me, said it won't happen.
Better not.
Yo,
What's good, Spooks?
hey, Kane, need you for something.
Alright, I'll be there.
Hey, you good? Everything straight?
I don't know, man. Don't you feel like you don't want to be doing this stuff anymore?
Nah, bro, what you mean?
Like, all the bad stuff that's been happening, like, it's just gonna keep on getting worse. And you know it's gonna keep on getting worse. Therefore, like, wanting to change. I want to change.
Yeah, I guess, bro.
But thing is, you know it won't change. It won't. And it's just gonna keep on getting worse.
Yeah, bro, but... And so what if it doesn't change? You got me, you got the others, we'll carry throughout all.
But I don't want to continue. I want to change. I don't know, man.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Wow, it's so nice here.
Nah, for real, it does.
You've been here before?
I haven't, but I thought it looked cool to come here.
You're right. It does look nice.
And I thought I should come here with you.
Oh, well, you made the right choice. Man, that food was yummy.
Yeah.
So, do you have a job?
Not really, but I still have money though.
How so?
Well, me and my friends kind of sell drugs and stuff.
Oh.
What?
It's nothing. It's just you really don't look like the type to do all that stuff, and it kind of caught me off guard.
Um, is that good or bad?
Well, you see, my parents have died because of drug dealing and, all that other stuff.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're saying. She never liked what I did and how I got my way around things. She cared too much for me to see me go out like that. And I remember every time we spent with each other, the things we did and the places we wanted to go, they will always remain in me forever. And that was the last time I saw her. I wanted to forget that feeling when I found out she was dead. At the time, I asked myself why? Why take everything away from me? But I figured it had to be for a greater cause. I was lost, so lost in my thoughts that I never did the deal, which is why I was confronted by a message.
It's kind of sad how somebody who's so close to Kenny can't do his job.
Here's where things lead into now. But I would always remember this story and how it has affected me in so many ways. I guess I just reminisce in all of my memories. I still wish she was here. I still wish you were here, Ben. I miss when you and I were younger, before all of this. But I am learning to cope with all of which I have been through and try to find peace in myself and in my life. I am going to be okay. I know that by now. It didn't seem like it at first, but now I know I can. It was there in front of me the whole time. I just needed people to help me change my point of view. I do have dreams about the people who were part of this journey. Mostly about her. It reassures me for when I question myself about whether I should keep improving. Always.